sun refused to shine, I would still be loving you. When mountains crumble to the sea.
Well, as you can see, working on everything back here and trying to get everything done. My stuff is all a mess from all the work I was doing up here. And this is, I'm getting ready for a move. There's no two ways about that. I'm trying to get the boat all together. Been working on it, as you can see. And you know, the back of the Ford is packed solid with all my tools and stuff, so fishing gear that I won't be using right away. And as you can see, everything else here, once I get it all cleaned up, I'll take another video and send it on.
Inspiration's what you are to me. Inspiration.
This is going to the Belfontes, this song. And my daughters, of course. I would never forget them. I never forgot them. But I need to get all this in order here, so it's a beautiful day. And I just put Nikki in the house. And so I need to get back to work. I have lots to do. So I'll sign off for now.